श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। वागीशाद्या सुमनसः सर्वार्थानामुपक्रमे नत्वा कृतकृत्या स्यूतं नमामि गजाननं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्मं व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोः भगवतोऽस्य दैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण द्वैतवासना प्रमुच्यते बोधात्मकाय नस्तस्मै भगवते श्रीरमणमहर्षे हृदाकाशे सदा भान्तं शान्तम् आनन्दरूपिणं ज्ञानबाणमहं वन्दे सद्गुरुं श्रीसत्यसायिनम्। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिस्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां ददाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं शतमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरमतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम्। गोष्पदीकृतवारीशमशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामालारत्नं वन्दे अनिलात्मजमञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशमक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करम्। उल्लङ्घ्य सिन्धोः सलिलं सलीलं यशोकवन्यं जनकात्मजायाः आदाय तेनैव ददाह लङ्कां नमामि तं प्राञ्जलिराञ्जनेयम्। आञ्जनेयमधिपाटलाननं काञ्चनाद्रिकमणीयविग्रहम् पारिजातधर्मूलवासिनं भावयामि पवमाननन्दनं। यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारि परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकम्। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाति दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसाद् आसीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना। तदुपगतसमाससन्धियोगं सममधुरोपनार्थवाक्यबद्धं रघुवरचरितं मुनिप्रणीतं दशशरसश्च वदं निशामयध्वं मा निषादप्रतिष्ठां त्वमगमशाश्वती समाह यत्क्रौञ्चमितनादेकमवधी कामोहितम्। आपदामपहत्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहमान्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पते नमः। वैदेही सहितं सरद्रुमतले हैमे महामण्डपे मध्ये पुष्पकमासने मणिमयी वीरासने स्वसितमग्रे वाचयति प्रपञ्चनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं भरतादिविपरिवृतं रामं भजे श्यामलं। वामे भूमिसुतापरश्च हनुमान् पश्चात् सुमित्रासुतः शत्रुघ्नो भरतश्च पार्श्वदलयोः वायुवादुकोणेषु च सुग्रीवश्च विभीषणश्च युवराट् तारासुतो जाम्बवान् मध्ये नीलसरोजकोमलरुचिं रामं भजे श्यामलम्। गुरुवर्ते त्यक्तराज्यो विचरधर्मनं पद्मपद्भ्यां प्रियायाः पाणिस्पर्शाक्षमाभ्यां रिजितपदरुजो यो हरीन्द्रानुजाभ्यां वैरूप्या शूर्पणख्या प्रियविरहरुषारोपितभ्रुविजृम्भत्रस्ताब्धिर्बद्धसेतुः कलदवदघनः कौशलेन्द्रो अवतान्। जानकीकान्तस्मरणम् आञ्जनेय स्वामी की जय। कौसल्यायै नरपतिः पायसार्धं ददौ तदा अर्धार्धं ददौ चापि सुमित्रायै नराधिपः कैकेय्यै च अवशिष्टार्धं ददौ पुत्रार्थकारणात् प्रददौ च अवशिष्टार्धं पायस्य अमृतोपमम् अनुचिन्त्य सुमित्रायै पुनरेव महामतिः एवं तासां ददौ राजा भार्याणां पायसं पृथक्। Mahamatihi, two versions of the reading, Mahipatihi, Mahamatihi. Mahipati na Raja, the king gave the payasam to his three wives in this fourfold division that he performed for it. Mahipatihi na king nu varum, ana the more I look at it, I feel Mahamati is the better reading because we say Raja. Evam tasam dadau Raja bharyanam payasam pratha. Raja dadau, Raja gave. Apra Mahipati na tirvi Raja na Mahipati cholta Mahamate na Mahamatihi nicha. Mahamatihi appadina the wise king. the wise king, the intelligent king, the Dirgadarshi king, the king who would understand how the things would pan out. அப்படிங்கிறதுனால he gives the payasam in this unique way, he distributes it to the four wives. Mahamatihi. One son for Kausalya, one son for Kaikeyi, two sons for Sumitra. அப்படின்னு சொன்னா Sumitra is the jnani here. Later on also we are going to see Sumitra's jnanam shining in the forefront. She is in the background, but her jnanam is shining in the forefront. And because she is the jnani, she is completely detached. She has two sons. One son is going to go with Rama, one son is going to go with Bharata, and neither of those sons are with her. And she doesn't mind it. Detachment is there. She is content in herself, knowing that Raja says if anybody deserves to have more than one child, it is a jnani. Yenna. Ajnanis are going to be in bondage with even one child. But if we give them two, what is going to happen to them? Their bondage will increase double. Their attachment will double. On the other hand, the jnani who is detached can afford to have more than one child, and he or she will remain detached to both the children. The Mahamati, the great intelligent king, gave the payasam twice to Sumitra so that she can have two sons. 12 months passed in Channom tato yagne samapte turutunam shatsamatyajuhu tatascha dvadashe mase chaitre navamike titau. 12 months passed from the time of the yajna. 6 seasons rolled by quickly, and on the 12th month after the conclusion of the yajna, on the 9th day of the lunar fortnight, Navamike Tidau Dwadashe Mase Chaitre, the 12th month afterwards was the Chitramasam, Chaitramasam. Nakshatre Aditi Daivatye, the star presided over by Aditi Punarvasu Nakshatram. Swocha samsteshu panchasu, when 5 planets were on the exalted positions in their own appropriate zodiacal signs, houses. Mesha, Makara, Tula, Karkata and Meena. And when at the same time Griheshu Karkate Lagne Vakpata Vinduna Saha, Vakpati, Brihaspati, Vakpati, Jupiter, Chalrome, and the Guru, the planet which is corresponding to Guru, was in conjunction with the moon appearing in Karkata Lagnam. Karkate Lagne Apo Prodhyamane Jagannatham Sarvaloka Namaskritam Kausalya Janayad Ramam Divya Lakshana Samyutam Vishnorardam Mahabhagam Putram Aikshvakunandanam Lohitaksham Mahabhagam Raktoshtam Dundubhiswanam. Extra reading. Kausalya Sushubetena Putrena Amita Tejasa Yatha Varena Devanam Aditihi Vajrabhaninam Lohitaksham Mahabahum Raktoshtam Dundubhiswanam. Appadina extra some descriptions are given here. Eppadi irukar Bhagavan appadina, red eyes, reddish eyes, long arms, red lips, and the voice Dundubhiswanam appadina. Dundubin or instrument. Bhagavanoda voice is sonorous like that instrument. Kya ki khoon la ki chikoral. A nice resounding voice he had. Jagannatham, Bhagavan Sriman Narayana, the Supreme Lord of the entire universe, Ramam, Rama, Divya Lakshana Samyutam, embodied with all the divine characteristics and attributes. Vishnor Ardham, the aspect of Vishnu. Mahabhagam, the most blessed, most fortunate divine being. Putram, in the form of the son. Aikshvaku Nandanam, the son of Dasharatha, in this manner. Lohitaksham, red eyes. Mahabahum, long arms. Raktoshtam, red lips. Dundabhiswanam, with the resounding voice. Kausalya Sushubhetena. Kausalya gave birth to this extraordinary child. Bharato nama Kaikeyam Jagне Satyavarakramaha. Bharata was born to Kaikeyi. Bharata was Satyavarakramaha, known for his devotion to the truth. His strength was the truth, his strength was true. Sakshad Vishnu Chaturbhaga Sarve Sarvai Samudito Gunaihi. Well, these names were, they didn't come born with the names were given later on. இங்கே சொல்லும்போதே ராமா was born, Bharata was born அப்படின்னா name tags were not attached to the children when they were born. In our hospitals they will tie a little ankle band or wristband to the child with the name of the child written on it. These children didn't come like that. 11 days அப்புறம் தான் names are given to them. ஆனால் இங்கே முன்கூட்டியே Valmiki is getting a bit excited and he is not waiting for the Namakarana to happen before he can call them by their names. அதுக்குள்ளேயே இங்கே the big reveal has happened. Rama was born to Kausalya. ஏன்னா சந்தோஷம் தாங்கல அவருக்கு. He was so excited it seems. அந்த குழந்தை பிறந்த உடனே ராமம். ராமநாம மகாத்மியம் அது. The name of Rama is so powerful that you cannot withhold, you cannot wait until the auspicious time comes, good time comes. சொல்ல முடியாது. பிறந்த நாளைக்கு then and there ராமம் அப்படின்னு Rama has to be uttered. The name has to be uttered. தாபசரஞ்சனன்னு சொல்லுவார் ராமனுடைய பேரை. நம்ம பஜன்ல கூட பாடுவோம், தாபசரஞ்சன தாரக நாமா. தாபசரஞ்சன தாரக நாமா அப்படின்னா the one who bears the name that is capable of emancipating us, of ferrying us across, and therefore gives delight to the tapasvis. Tapasa Ranjana அப்படின்னா the one who delights the tapasvis. Tapasviகளுக்கு சந்தோஷம். Maha tapasvis, Maharishis are happy because he has the name that is capable of redeeming everybody. அதனால தாபச ரஞ்சன தாரக நாமா. அதனால அந்த தாரக நாமமா இருக்கிறதுனால ராமநாமம்ங்கிறது தாரக நாமம்னு சொல்லுவோம். Ramanama is the Taraka Nama. The Shabdam, the very sound Rama itself is capable of destroying sins in us. Earlier today I was talking to somebody about this. The Ramanamatla Rakaram irukilaya. Ram அப்படிங்கிறது அக்னி பீஜம். ரம் அப்படிங்கிறது அக்னியினுடைய பீஜம். தி பிரைம் பீஜம் அப்படின்னா பீஜாட்சரம்னா சவுண்ட்ஸ். The sounds do not have any meanings. They are just the primal sounds, and these primal sounds are all associated with various gods and deities, etc. But Ram அப்படிங்கிற வார்த்தைக்கு it is the presiding deity for that is Agni. And when you say Ram, the Rakara, even when you say it, just look at how your tongue is working. See, the tongue is going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, touching the palate, the top, and michela அப்படின்னா you are holding it there. You are holding it in one place. Pa, sa, a, ka, e, u, whatever you say. இந்த ரகாரத்துக்கு மாத்திரம் ra ன்னு சொல்லும் பொழுதே 3-4 times the tongue goes and touches ra. இல்லையா? Just see how it is. If you say tha, only once. Tha, only once. Ma, pa, all the aksharams, if you take ka, kha, gha, ga, எல்லாம் ஒரு தடவை தான் தொடரும். இந்த ரகார மாத்திரம் ரா. Even to simply say ra once, you are already rolling the tongue so many times. Is it not? அப்போ what happens அப்படின்னா, because the tongue is rolling this many times, it creates friction. Friction generates heat. Yes or no? Friction generates heat. அப்போ ன்னு சொன்னா என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா heat generate ஆயிடும். அப்போ அக்னி பீஜம் தானே அது. Agni, see, calm, easier theriyadhu, not something you don't have to wonder whether it is something mystic. It is very simple. Heat is generated, thermogenic reaction. If you want to lose weight, keep saying Ram, 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 you lose weight. If you want to cool down the body, அப்படினா என்ன சொல்லணும்? If you want to cool down the body, அப்படினா Shiva, Shiva னு சொன்னாச்சுனா body will cool down. Why will the body cool down? Shiva, Shambhu. அத சொன்னா என்ன? When you say the heat is released from the body. Shina, it will become cool. Sheetalama இருக்கும். Shikaram, shikaram வந்து sheetalama இருக்கும். Cooling up. அப்ப நாமமுக்கே there is just the sound itself has got this capacity. அப்ப ரகாரம் சொல்றது என்ன ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா all the sins are burnt in the body. The heat generated is not merely the physical heat, there is also a psychic heat, a subtle heat which burns down the sins. அதனால it becomes tapas. ஏன் தபஸ் அப்படின்னா தபஸ்ங்கிற சப்தத்துக்கு மூலம் எங்கேருந்து வருது? தாப, தப, ஹீட். தபனம் அப்படின்னா ஹீட். தபனஹா அப்படின்னு நேற்றுக்கு சொன்னோம். சுக்ரீவம் ஜனயாமாச தபனஸ் தபதாம் வரஹா. தபனஹா தபதாம் வரஹா அப்படிங்கிற வார்த்தை. தபதாம், தபனா, தபனா அப்படின்னா சன். ஏன் தபதாம் வரஹா, of those who create heat, he is the best, he is the highest அப்படின்னு. தபதாம் வரஹா. அப்போ ஆமா, சுக்ரீவம் ஜனயாமாச அந்த இடத்துல வரைச்சே தபதாம் வரஹாங்கிற வார்த்தை வருது. So தபா, தபஸுக்கு சொல்ல வந்தேன். What is tapas அப்படின்னா it comes from heat only. So what produces heat? Rama Nama produces heat. அப்போ chanting Rama Nama, what does it do? It is tapas. இவ்வளத்தையும் சொன்னது எதுக்குன்னா bringing the ஒரு derivation of Rama Nama being itself a tapasya. அதனால தாபசரஞ்சன தாரக நாமான்னு சொல்றோம். அதனால தான் தாரக நாமம்னு சொல்றோம். ராமநாமம் is a தாரக நாமம். It can transport us across the ocean of samsara sagarangradanaல, because this name is so unique, because this name is so powerful, Valmiki Bhagavan here is unable to wait until the Namakarana where Vasishtha is going to name him Rama. Instead, here itself he says Rama was born. Rama was born. Rama was born, Bharata, Lakshmana and Shatrugna, all the four of them were born. Great festivities happened everywhere in Ayodhya. The highways were crowded with the people. All of them came out. All of them were thronging the streets. Singers, performers of various instruments, dancers, everybody came and performed their arts in the street itself out of joy that the king has had 4 excellent sons after such a long wait. Ella mudinchu. For 11 days the celebration was going on. On the 11th day, the naming ceremony of the children had to happen. And for that, naturally, as the priest, Vasishtha was the one who had to come and perform that ceremony also. अतीत्यैकादशाहं तु नामकर्म तथा करोत् ज्येष्ठं रामं महात्मानं भरतं कैकेयीसुतं सौमित्रं लक्ष्मणमिति शत्रुघ्नमपरं तथा वसिष्ठः परमप्रीतो नामानि कृतवान् तदा. Vasishtha came and gave the names to all the children after 11 days had elapsed. 11 days had to elapse. On 3 consecutive days the children were born. Rama was born on one day. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு நாள் கழிச்சு பரதன், அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு நாள் கழிச்சு லக்ஷ்மண சத்ருகனாங்கிறதுனால ஒரு கேப்பா விட்டனால 11 days அப்புறம் எல்லாரும் ஒண்ணா சேர்த்து நேம் வச்சிட்டாங்க. அதனால அதீத்ய ஏகாதசாகம்னா after 11 days had passed, நாமகர்ம ததா கரோத், the நாமகர்மா was done, the naming ceremony was performed. யாருன்னா வசிஷ்டா பரமப்ரீதா, வசிஷ்டா extremely delighted. This is the day for which he has been waiting since the time he took over as the priest in the Ikshvaku Vamsham. Finally now the real pay is coming to him. இது வரைக்கும் என்னமோ இப்பதான் சம்பளம் வருது அவருக்கு. Only now, after such a long, many thousands of years of service, finally he is getting his payment in the form of Bhagavan who has appeared in front of him. Adanala, he is given the great privilege of naming these children Ramam, Jeshtam, Mahatmanam. And the first child, the illustrious child, eldest child was named Rama. Bharatam, Kaikeyi Sutam. Bharata was the second son. Saumitra Lakshmanamiti, and Sumitra's son, one was called Lakshmana, the other Shatrughnam Aparamantata. The other one which came Aparam was called Shatrugna. Aparam Puranda Govindaki Shatrugnan Abdina Per. Abdina Namani Kritavantada, in this manner the names were given to all the children. The name Kurukartukume, Phala Visheshangal Rakirni Choldra, why the names were given, Abdina, he thought about these names and gave them accordingly, based upon each one's role, each one's attribute, each one's goal, etc. Lakshmana, Lakshmivardhanaha, Abdina Lakshmana was endowed with all auspicious attributes and characteristics. Lakshanam, Sarvalakshanamam Ardada, Lakshmivardhanaha, he was the promoter of good fortune. Because he had the great good fortune himself of constantly being with Bhagavan. Although all the other brothers were also born at the same family, in the same family, same time, similar time, Lakshmana alone had the privilege, unique privilege of constantly serving Bhagavan. And because he had that great privilege, he is Lakshmana, he has all the auspiciousness present in him. Bharata, because he had to bear the burden, he was given the name Bharata. Bharanam, Bharam, etc. are the words that gave rise to the English word burden, bearing, etc. You can spot the similarity. Bharana, bearing. Bharam, burden. And since he had to bear the responsibility of the kingdom in the absence of both the father as well as the elder brother, he was given the name Bharata. Shatrugna, he is called Shatrugna because he was the one who was capable of destroying the enemies. And that also makes sense because when Dasharatha was not there, Dasharatha had passed on, eldest son Rama had gone to the forest, Lakshmana had also gone to the forest. Bharata decided to live like a sannyasi in Nandigrama. There was only one person capable of protecting the entire Ayodhya at that time, Kausala Desham at that time, it was Shatrugna. Because naturally in a weakened state, other kingdoms may try to lay siege or attack this kingdom. But Shatrugna was the only one who was protecting the entire kingdom for 14 years. Shatrugna, the one who destroys the enemy. Lot of people, especially Tamil people, make a great mistake about this. Shatrugunan abdinu solluva. It is not Shatruguna. Shatruguna abdina enemy quality abdinu artham. Guna means quality. Shatrugunan illa. Shatrugunane illai. Avan Shatrughanan. Ghana shabdam has to be used, not gu. It's a half ghang. So Shatrugna. Shatrugnaha Ripudaman abdinu. In Tulsi Ramayana, we will find a name given to him. Ripudaman. Ripu nalu enemy da. Damana abdina one who destroys an artha. Ripudaman abdina peru kudupa. Shatrugnan. Shatrugna. Bharatan imenukku. And the eldest son was called Rama because he was the delight for everybody in Kardhanala, because he was the one who was going to bring delight to all people, including his own father. Tesham Keturivajesto Ramo Ratikaraha Pituhu Babuva Bhuyo Bhutanam Swayamburiva Sammataha. Rama, the 4 sons, all of them were extraordinary sons, Anna. It was very clear from the very beginning itself. Valmiki says that Rama was like the exalted flag that was amongst all of them, a flag hoisted high up there. Another Ratikaraha Pituhu gave great delight to his father. Gave delight to all beings, especially to his father. He was the source of extraordinary delight. Unlike Sri Krishna Avataram, there is no big detailed Bala Leela for Rama. Valmiki is not interested in Bala Leela. Valmiki straight away wants to jump to the greater deeds of Rama. Kulandiya Nadiya Narandar, Moon Kondana Katala, Valmiki is not interested. How Tulsi Dasna, Kunjagoda Ashayoda, Tulsi describes certain Tumakachalata Ramachandra, Abdino Patala. Rama was walking, a little baby Rama was walking, and Dasharatha ran behind him. Dasharatha fell down. Rama wanted the moon. Abdila and Namo, he describes the songs. Adur Bhavatana. Obviously, Rama would have been a child. No? He would have also been wearing diapers. Ana Valmiki ki sammatavalla. Valmiki does not want to dwell on Rama in diapers. Rama as the tapasvi now, he spends most of Ramayana when Rama was a tapasvi. Our tapasvi only Swayameva. Adanala avarku enna pidichadu appadina Rama in the guise or the attire or the outlook of a tapasvi as a rishi. Straight away always you will see Rama associating himself with rishis more. Adala focus Valmiki. Rama grew up. Rama grew up. Time flew, Rama grew up. Ippada Jatakarma panna. Janma Kriyadini Jatakarma. Adutha shlokathil enna jannat he became big. Eppadi begina? Sarve Veda Vida Shura Sarve Loka Hitertaha Sarve Jnanopasampanna Sarve Samudita Gunaihi. All the 4 children immediately became well versed in Vedas. Immediately became well versed. That means they went to Vashishta's Gurukula and they stayed there and they learnt all the Vedas, became well versed in the Vedas. They were all heroic Shuraha Loka Hitertaha. They were very interested, attached to the welfare of the people. The Loka Hiteratanga more than Yavardu Bharatanga Kinur Artham Enana Bha Shabdam Bhagavan Ratha Abdina attached in Artham Bharataha Abdina one who is attached to Bhagavan Shri Rama. Adur Arthama. Bharanam Mandraman Matramala, not merely the one who is bearing the burdens, but also the one who is attached to Bhagavan. Bharata Abdina Magoda Cholo. Bharata Bhumi ni Cholo. The Bharata Bhumi na Anartham Bharati Abdina Anarthana Bha Abdina Basamanam Nartham. Brilliance, light, tejas, divinity. Ratha Abdina one who is attached to it Nartham. Bharataha Abdina one who is attached to light, to wisdom alone is a Bharati. Chuma Indian and Chalamadiadu, Yar Bharata, Bharati Abdiana, one who is attached to wisdom is a Bharati. Abinga Bharataha Abdina Chanakoda. The meaning of that also is that the one who is attached to light, the one who is attached to divinity, the one who is devoted to God, is Bharata. Sarve Veda Vidashuraha, Sarve Loka Hiterataha, Sarve Jnanopasampanna, Sarve Samudita Gunaihi. All the 4 children grew up under Vashishta's care and guidance. All of them became well versed in the Vedic Shastras. They became great leaders of men. They were interested in the welfare of all beings. They were filled with jnana. They were filled with all the extraordinary gunas amongst all of them. Nalberime, when all 4 are good, amongst them Tesham api mahateja Rama Satya Parakramaha Ishta Sarvasya Lokasya Shashanka Iva Nirmalaha. Tesham api, amongst them also, amongst all the 4 of them also, however, even amongst the 4 of them, Ramaha Mahatejaha Satyavarakramaha, Rama with extraordinary brilliance and luster, Tejas, Satyavarakramaha of true valor and true prowess. Nirmalaha was totally pure. Shashanka Iva Sarvasya Lokasya Ishtaha, he was dear to all the worlds like the moon. There is nobody who does not like the moon. Sanna the hot nobody has ever complained about the moon. Isn't it? Think about it for a second. Has anybody complained about the moon? The moon is so white. The moon is so cool. The moon is so full. Moon is always a delight to everybody. Sanna is so hot too. So hot today. And moon nobody complains about the moon. If it is cold also, we don't say moon is cold. Winter may be cold, but moon is not cold. We do not blame the moon even on a winter night. Moon Shashanka Iva Lokasya Ishtaha Sarvasya Lokasya Ishtaha. It is dear to all the worlds like the moon. Anal, moon has got malam in it. Moon has got stains in it. When you look at the moon from here, you will find dark spots, dark patches in the moon. Ana Bhagavan abdiliya nirmalaha. He had no stains at all whatsoever. He had no spots at all whatsoever. He was Aparna. How much more delightful he should be than to everybody. With the stains and with the spots of the moon is dear to everybody, then how much more dear would Rama be to everybody when he does not even have that one blemish upon him in his character. Another Ramachandra, Ramachandra, Ramachandra. Even though Yadyapi Rama was born in the Surya Kulam, Ramasurya, Ramasurya nu sollala. We are not calling him Ramasurya, we are calling him Ramachandra. Ramachandra andan solrom. Ena he is cool and tranquil like the moon. He is delightful like the moon. He brings joy to everybody like the moon. His name may generate heat, but he generates coolness in everybody. Shanta Surubam Namakuliye Shanti Erpadakudiya Gunam Bhagavanukku. Tesham api Mahateja Rama Satyavarakramaha Ishta Sarvasya Lokasya Sashankaiva Nirmalaha. He was dear to everybody. Gajaskande Ashwaprushte Ratacharya Susammataha Dhanurvede Chanirataha Pitru Susrushane Rataha. Every Rama Ramina Gajaskande. He knew how to climb on. All the four of them learned it. They learned how to climb on elephants. Gajaskande Ashwaprushte on the backs of, on the shoulder of the elephant, on the back of the horse. You know, the elephant is so big, usually you sit in the top portion of it, this is the shoulder of the elephant. Gajaskande Ashwaprushte on the back of the horses. Ratacharya Azusammataha, also riding in chariots. All of this he knew very well. Dhanurvede Chanirataha, he was especially skilled in archery. And more than all of that, Pitru Susrushane Rataha, he was very attached to him, always serving his father. Appa no Asha. This is Ramanudiya Gunanga. This is how Rama was. Balyat Prabhriti Susnigdo Lakshmano Lakshmivardanaha Ramasya Loka Ramasya Bratur Jeshtasya Nityashaha. Balyat, right from childhood itself, Balyat Prabhriti, right from his childhood, Susnigdo Lakshmano Lakshmivardanaha Ramasya Lokaramasya. He was ever attached to Susnigdahan. He was ever attached to Rama, his elder brother. Ramasya Jeshtasya Lokaramasya. Ramasya Lokaramasya. Ravana chollumbodhu Ravanaha Lokaravanaha. Ramana chollumbodhu Ramaha Lokaramaha. Rama, the delighter of all the worlds. Rama, the delighter of all the worlds. Eldest brother, towards him Lakshmana had a very special attachment even from childhood itself. It was not something that happened later on. From childhood, Balyat abdini chonna. Sarva priyakarastasya Ramasyapi sharirataha Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampalno Bahiprada Iva Paraha. Lakshmanaha Lakshmi Sampannaha na tripi solram. Lakshmi Vardanaha Lakshmi Sampannaha. Sarvalakshana Samyuktaha. He was possessed of Lakshmi. Lakshmi Sampannaha abadinu yarukku solra abadina Lakshmananukku solra. Ultimately Lakshmi is going to belong to Sri Rama only. Lakshmi in the form of Sita Devi is going to belong to Rama. Ana Lakshmana is described as Lakshmi Sampannaha, the possessor of Lakshmi. Enna Lakshmi abadina bhaktingra Lakshmi, Priya Lakshmi, Bhakti Lakshmi, Seva Lakshmi, Kaikarya Lakshmi. Ella Lakshmi nu chonnale wealth nu artham. Lakshmi means wealth. Adale various kinds of wealths are spoken about. Dhanya Lakshmi, Dhana Lakshmi, Santana Lakshmi, Vidya Lakshmi, Moksha Lakshmi. Abadi Lakshmi. Various kinds of Lakshmis are there. Veera Lakshmi, abadina the Lakshmi in the form of courage. Abadina the wealth of courage. Dhanya Lakshmi, wealth of grains. Dhana Lakshmi, wealth in the form of currency. Santana Lakshmi, wealth in the form of children. Vidya Lakshmi, wealth in the form of education. Moksha Lakshmi, Moksha Lakshmi in the form of moksha. Abdinna. Even Lakshmi Sampannahan. Enna Lakshmi, Ella Lakshmi Mirka. All the Lakshmis are present. Enna Kaikarya Lakshmi is present in him. Aham Sarvam Karishyami. I will do everything for you. Abdin, he is the one who is going to declare to Rama, and he is going to live his entire life only doing service to Rama. Nothing else is going to be important to him. Adan Lakshmananuடைய extraordinary character enna abdinna. Although like all the other brothers, he was also married. All of them came along, we spent their time with their wives now. Rama was with Sita. Bharata and Shatrughna, because they stayed back in Ayodhya along with their wife, they were also there. And Lakshmananukku enna, he was not with his mother. His father has also gone away. He was not with his wife. Yaravanukku ellanna, Rama alone was everything for him. His life revolved around Rama. He was willing to sacrifice anything and everything for the sake of Rama. And the Tyaga Lakshmi was there with him. Tyaga Lakshmi was there with him. Kaikarya Lakshmi was there with him. Bhaktingra Lakshmi was there with him. Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampanna. Lakshmana is the embodiment of all auspiciousness, all prosperity, all wealth, and he was capable of generating that wealth in others also. Lakshmi Vardhanaha. Eppadi Lakshmi Vardhanahan appadinu paatha, when Sugriva had forgotten the promise that he had given to Rama, and he was lost in enjoying himself during the rainy season. Appo Rama is feeling sad. Alas, this fellow, he said he will do something for me. Anna, I gave him the kingdom, but in spite of that, he has not even paid me one visit. He has not come to see me once and say, how are you? Adu kuda kekaliye. Abadinu Bhagavan felt sad. Udane Lakshmana took his bow and arrow and stormed straight into Kishkinda. What was the reason for that? He, not because he was angry with Sugriva, but he knows that if Rama was disappointed, if Rama's heart was pained, that is going to spell doom and disaster to Sugriva. Rama has promised friendship with Sugriva, but unfortunately Sugriva is behaving in such a way that is causing pain to Rama's heart. Lest this pain should destroy his Lakshmi, Lakshmana goes and reminds him of his duties, as a result of which Sugriva's prosperity is continued to be ensured. Lakshmi Vardhanaha. He was the one who was capable of promoting auspiciousness and welfare everywhere he went. Another Lakshmano Lakshmi Vardhanaha, Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampannaha. He was himself possessor of all the wealth of service, and he made sure that others also served Rama correctly. Avanu Lamana Sarvapananumilya, Abdingarna Lakshmi Vardhanan in the Lakshmanandan. This Lakshmana is the one who later on comes back as Sri Ramanujacharya. And when he comes as Bhagavad Ramanuja, what did he do? Lakshmi Sampannaha. He came with the great mantram, with the great Tattvam of Sharanagati, which he popularized amongst everybody. Lakshmi Vardhanaha gave us the wealth of Sharanagati also. Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampannaha, Lakshmano Lakshmi Vardhanaha. All of these appellations, all of these names are most appropriate for Lakshmana. Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampanno Bahi Prana Iva Paraha Nachatena Vina Nidram Labate Purushottamaha. Sarva Priyakarastasya Ramasya Shariritaha. Sharirataha Lakshmanan eppadi irundhan appadina, Shariritaha api Sarva Priyakaraha Tasya Ramasya. Ellam he offered everything. He offered himself to Rama, and it appeared as though, what was he? Bahi Prana Iva. It was Rama was the body. Lakshmana was the life that was moving outside that body. He was like a second life, as it were, to Rama. Another life to Rama. Rama says, you are my second life. During the Yavaraja Pattabhishekam event also, he says the same thing. He says, Lakshmana, you are like my another life. And Prana Saman, you are equal to me, equal to my life. Rama is declaring to Lakshmana. Without him, Rama would not sleep, it seems. Nacha tena vina nidram labate Purushottamaha. Purushottamanana Raman will not be able to sleep. Even as a child, Rama will keep crying, it seems. Lakshmana will be crying, Bharata will be crying, Shatrughna will be crying. All the four children were constantly crying in that household. கிவ் சம் ஃபுட் அப்படின்னா எல்லா ஃபுட்டெல்லாம் கொடுத்தாச்சு. அப்போ உட்வேர்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்க சொல்லு அப்படின்னா அது கொடுத்தாலும் அழுதுண்டே இருக்கு. என்ன கொடுத்தாலும் அழுதுகள் இந்த குழந்தைகள். எல்லாம் ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்த்தா உட்வேர்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்க சொல்லு, நீ குழந்தையா இருக்கிறச்சு அதான் கொடுத்தேன். All manner of remedies were tried, but the children were always crying, it seems, when they were small. ஏன்னா Rama was in Kaushalya's chambers. அங்க ஒரு ஜூலா இருக்கும், அதுல ஒரு little தொட்டில், a cradle. She was trying to sing to Rama, make him sleep, etc. But Rama will keep crying. The baby Rama will keep crying. அங்க கைகேயி's apartmentல Bharata will keep crying. சுமித்ராக்கு பாவம் 2 காதும் கிழியறது, 2 குழந்தைகள் கத்துறது, கீச்சு காச்சுன்னு 2 ஒரே டேஸ்ல. பாவம் சுமித்ரா, both the children are crying at the same time. என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல. All the children are crying. The Vaidyas came, the elderly ladies came, the physicians came. Everybody came and tried finding out what is wrong with the children. Nothing is physically wrong with them. Why are they crying? We do not know. They are well fed, they are dry, they are well clothed, they are nice and cool. Everything is correct, but still they are crying. ஏன் தெரியல. So finally they called Vashishta. Again the Vashishta vandana. Vashishta came and looked at this child. Ramar பார்த்தார். Then he went to Bharata. Bharatana பார்த்தாராம். அப்புறம் he came here and saw Lakshmana and Shatrugna. அப்படினா அப்ப சொன்னாராம், you take this Lakshmana and put him on the side of Rama. சரி சொல்லிட்டு Lakshmana தூக்கிட்டு போய் they kept it in Rama's cradle, same cradle. உடனே both the children looked at each other, smiled and stopped crying. கையை பிடிச்சிட்டு தூக்கி போட்டுட்டாங்க. Holding each other's hands, they fell asleep. அங்கேருந்து he said take Shatrugna and put him in Bharata's cradle அப்படினா அங்கேருந்து தூக்கிட்டு போய் பரதன் cradle போட்டா அதுவும் தூக்கி போட்டுட்டாங்க. Both the children fell asleep. அப்ப peace finally came back to the entire palace. Everybody was happy அப்படினா everybody was happy. நினைச்சு பாருங்க, சுமித்ரா எங்க போவா? where will Sumitra go? அவளுக்கு தானே குழந்தை. Kausalya is happy, her Rama is with her. Kaikeyi is happy, her Bharata is with her. And Sumitra's both the children were given out, lent out as it were. Lending library மாதிரி எடுத்தவளுக்கு பாவம். நீ வாத்துக்கு அவமச்சா அவாத்துக்கு வாச்சு. One child went here, one child went there. அவ மாத்திரம் என்ன பண்ணுவா? அப்படினா ஷாமர் காவா. ஷாமர் காவா. அதான் ஞானின்னு சொல்றோம். That is why we refer to Sumitra as a jnani. न च तेन विना निद्रां लभते पुरुषोत्तमः मृष्टमन्नम् उपानीतम् अश्नाति नहि तं विना. He will not eat anything, it seems, if Lakshmana was not there. If good food is served to him also, he will say, Lakshmananukku, what about Lakshmana? அப்படின்னு கேட்பாராம். அதே மாதிரி Bharata will not eat anything without checking, what about Shatrugna? அப்படின்னு கேட்பாராம். இப்படியா சத்ருக்னனும் பரதனும் ஒரு பேர். இங்க Rama Lakshmana was a pair. அதனால்தான் whenever we say Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugna அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். Although the order in which they were born is Rama Bharata Lakshmana Shatrugna அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். ஆனா we never say that Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugna அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். यदा हि हयमारूढो मृगयामि आतिराघवः तदैनं पृष्ठतोऽन्वेति सदुना परिपालयन्. Dhanuf Paripalayan, if Rama would ride away into the forest to hunt, there is no need to even say Lakshmana will come right behind. Carrying the bow and arrow, he will come right behind. Rama Rama need not even call him, Lakshmana will be there. This is Janma Janmantarama. In Sri Krishna Avataram, when Rukmini Devi sends a Sandesha, Rukmini sends a letter to Krishna, and the Brahmana who brings the letter reads the letter out to Krishna in his presence. Bhagavan Khetan Naldikam, the moment he read it, he said, come with me. He caught hold of the Brahmana by hand and went straight onto his chariot. Daruka was there ready to fly. Immediately they left. Not a word was told to Balarama. Balarama, the elder brother, was sitting there. Nothing was told to him. If Bharata Krishna left, he got onto the chariot and went away to Kundinapura, Vidarbha Deshatak. Krishna reached there. Krishna overnight Krishna reached. The next evening, the day after, the next day, Rukmini Kalyana Parinayam. But that evening, big army is arriving. Balarama along with the entire Yadava army is arriving. Vaishnavi Sena oda Balarama has arrived. If Krishna goes, then behind Balarama has to follow. It's a Janma Janmantaramana. It's an old habit. It's a habit that is spanned across births. Where Rama went ahead, Lakshmana would follow. Rama came as Krishna and Lakshmana came as Balarama. Roles were changed. Elder brother, younger brother was changed. Anna, whenever this younger brother goes anywhere, Balarama had to follow. That's rule. Pattern was the same. Bharatasya Shatrugno Lakshmanavarajo hi sa pranaihi priyataro nityam tasya chasit tata priyahan. Just as Lakshmana was dear to Rama, in the same manner here Shatrughna is dear to Bharata. In the Madhurya, 4 highly fortunate sons were. Dasharatha was very, very happy. He looked as though he was Brahma surrounded by all the gods. Apdi irkha Ram, Dasharatha Maharaja. Nalveri Patapata Maghura Raja. He is so happy looking at all the sons. Look at my sons, how they are. Ipri irkana. ते यदा ज्ञानसम्पन्ना सर्वैः समुदिता गुणैः ह्रीमन्त कीर्तिमन्तश्च सर्वज्ञा दीर्घदर्शिनः तेषामेवं प्रभावानां सर्वेषां दीप्ततेजसा पिता दशरथो हृष्टो ब्रह्मा लोकाधिपो यथा. The Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna, there is a story how a man came to Ramakrishna's presence, sat there for a while, and then said, I have to now go. It's a long time since I have seen my moon-faced one. Ramakrishna reports that or narrates it, recounts it, and he says, and do you know who the moon-faced was? His son. He's so shocked, he's so surprised. His son. He is sitting in the presence of satsangam, in holy company, and what does he want to finish it and go for? To look at the face of his son. Ramakrishna feels it is so cheap that somebody would give up satsangam to be with his son. That's the moon-faced one. Chandravadanan. Maybe the child's name was Chandravadanan. Ana Chatra, in Chandravadana Pakamana, oh, how will I be without seeing my moon face, dear darling? He is going, the path of Ramakrishna was so shocked by that kind of behavior that is shown by this man. It is very funny. His reaction is really funny. The Ramakrishna's reaction in that. If an ordinary child itself is capable of generating so much affection and love in the heart of the father, in the children, Jnana Sampannaha Yadate Jnana Sampannaha. When when these children, all of them were filled with such extraordinary wisdom, such extraordinary knowledge, Sarvai Samudita Gunaihi, they were filled with all virtues. Hrimantaha, they were modest in spite of being filled with all these virtues and knowledge. Kirtimantaha, despite being modest, they were famed everywhere. Their fame was spreading everywhere. Sarvajna, they knew everything. Dirgadarshinaha, they were children with vision. They were they had foresight. Far-sighted they were. They were shining in their glory naturally. Pita Dasharatho Hrishtona. Dasharatha was so pleased. He would say, where is my moon-faced Rama? Where is my Chandravadanan Raman? If Rama should Ramana Pad Chandravadana Kamala Nayana. If Dasharatha should sing, it is appropriate. Sakshat Narayanan has become Rama. Narayana Hari Narayana Chandravadana Kamala Nayana. Kamala Nayanan Ramo Rajiva Lochanaha. My Rama has got lotus like eyes. He is looking and appreciating Rama. Aha, my son is like the moon. Aha, my son has got eyes like the lotus. Plus all these gunas in him, all the jnana, all 4 of them are shining in this manner. Naturally, the father was extremely delighted, extremely happy. Children were growing up fast. They reached the age of 12. Atha Raja Dasharatastesham Darakriyam Prati Chintayamasa Dharmatma. He started to Chintayamasa, deliberate, think about the Darakriya. Darakriya na marriage. The father wanted to get the son married. natural urge that is present in all parents. ஒரு ஸ்பீஷீஸ் திங் கூட சொல்லலாம். ஏன்னா ultimately procreation and continuation of the species is inbuilt in all of us. So what we do is we give birth to children, and then in order to make sure that the species continues, we then start looking to get them also married. அது ஏதோ திங்கிங்ல இருக்கு. ஆனா if you look at it genetically may be coded into us. அதான் தசரதனுமே the moment the children grew up he became very worried. Deliberate chintayamasa, ரொம்ப சிந்தனையில ஆழ்ந்து போயிட்டாராம். He started to worry, who will I find equal to Rama? ஏன்னா ராமனு கல்யாணம் பண்ணணும், ஏதோ காமாஷோமா கல்யாணம் பண்ணா பரவாயில்ல. காமாஷோமான்னு ஒருத்தன் இருக்கான், அவனு கல்யாணம் பண்றதுக்கே யோசிப்பா. யாரு கல்யாணம், என் பிள்ளை இப்படி நல்ல சமத்தா இருக்கான், என் பிள்ளை யாரு கல்யாணம் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறதும்பா. அவன் லட்சணம் ஊருக்கு தெரியும். The parents are worried about how my son is so good. He has to get a good bride, good wife has to come, good girl I have to find. அப்படின்னு they'll be worried. Naturally. அதே மாதிரி the fathers of daughters will be worried. My daughter is so good. அவ ராட்சசி மாதிரி இருப்பா, லங்காபுரத்து ராட்சசி மாதிரி இருக்கா பார்க்கறதுக்கு. She looks like a லங்காபுரத்து ராட்சசி. ஆனா father is worried. ஐயோ, who will I give my daughter to? He has to look after my daughter very well. My daughter has to be happy. அவளுக்கு கவலை அதுக்கு தானே இருக்கும். அப்ப சாதாரணமா இருக்கிற வாழ்க்கை அப்படி கவலை அப்படி என்ன? If ordinary parents with ordinary children have so much of worry in their minds when it comes to the right age of getting their children married, there is no need to ask the amount of worry that Dasharatha would be having. Such an extraordinary son. What do I do? How do I match him with the extraordinary wife for him? He started deliberating it with all of the people there. So Padhyayassa Bandavaha, he called all the priests and he was deliberating with them. He called all the counselors, he was deliberating with them. How do I make sure that Rama gets married? Even as the talk was going on, எல்லாத்துக்கும் time, appropriate time வந்துடுதுனா it will all happen இல்லையா? Just as they were talking about Rama's marriage, as though to make it happen, तस्य चिंतयामानस्य मंत्री मध्ये महात्मनः. ஈஸியா புரியும் நமக்கு. வால்மீகி Sanskrit is very easy for us to understand. तस्य चिंतयामानस्य, இப்படி யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கக்கூடிய this thus deliberating Dasharatha, मंत्री मध्ये, surrounded by all of his ministers, महात्मनः, अभ्यगच्छन् महातेजा विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः. अभ्यगच्छन् महातेजा विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, even as the great king was deliberating upon the subject of Rama's wedding, surrounded by all of his counselors and ministers and priests and so on, Abhyagachan, there arrived யாருன்னா விஸ்வாமித்ரோ மகாமுனிஹி, the great muni, the great ascetic, the great rishi Vishwamitra appeared there, arrived there. எப்படி இருக்கார் அப்படின்னா, மகா தேஜஸோட இருக்கக்கூடிய விஸ்வாமித்ரா with extraordinary glory, he arrived there. அங்கேருந்து எங்க arrived அப்படின்னா, he did not come straight inside, he is standing outside at the gate. He is standing at the door, and standing at the door he says, Sarajño darshana kankshi dwaradyakshanuvachaha. Daradyakshan, the doorkeepers were there, and to the doorkeepers, desirous of seeing the king, he addressed the doorkeepers thus. Vishwamitra told the doorkeepers about Shigramakyata mam praptam கௌஷிகம் காதினசுதம். மாம் பிராப்தம் அப்படின்னு சொல்ற அழகான வார்த்தை. மாம் பிராப்தம் அப்படின்னா லிட்ரல் மீனிங், go and quickly inform Dasharatha that he has obtained me. மாம் பிராப்தம், பிராப்தம்னா அர்த்தம் attained ன்னு அர்த்தம். I have arrived in the Shalala. Tell him that the Vishwamitra has arrived. That is the meaning of it. Another word that Valmiki chooses here is very unique. Mam praptam. Because of the endless tapasya, endless punya bhala that has accrued to the Dasharatha, Mam praptam. He has attained me. He has obtained me. Illana kadikumo. Where the king should have gone in search of such a great Maharshi to have his darshan, Maharshi is coming and standing in front of his house. Abdina Mam Praptam. He has attained me. He has attained me. He has obtained me. Yarana. Who? Kaushikam. Kaushikaha. Gadinasutam. Gadi's son. Gadi's lineage, the son of Gadi, born in the line of the illustrious Kushika, Kaushikam Gadinasutam. Now, Andrikenshu, tell the king I have arrived. In children, Appa India, we will stop here for today. Janaki Kanta Smaranam, Jai Jai Ram Ram, Anjaneya Swami ki Jai. Sarve bhantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kichit kavak bhavet. Loka samsta sukhino bhantu, loka samsta sukhino bhantu, loka samsta sukhino bhantu. Shanti, shanti, shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Sai Ishwara Arpanamastu.